Here's an ASE G1 test question for you. Technician A says that brown or light tan stains on the insulator of the spark plug are normal and would not cause a misfire on their own. Technician B says the stains are caused by gases from the combustion chamber, leaking past the shell and insulator. Which technician is correct, A or B? We'll find out after this. This video is sponsored by Autolite, manufacturers of high-quality spark plugs since 1935. Visit Autolite.com for more information. First of all, it's almost impossible for gases to pass between the inner shell and insulator. This is because modern manufacturing methods actually seal the two parts of the spark plug. Even if the combustion chamber reaches 2000 psi, the seal will hold. The stains the technicians are talking about are corona stains, which are caused by the high amount of static electricity attracting particles of oil and dirt to the body of the plug during normal operation. So, technician A is correct. These stains were more common back in the days of pushrod engines, where the plug was mounted to the side of the cylinder head and exposed to the underhood environment. Most modern engines put the spark plug in a deep well between the camshafts. But corona stains can occur on high-mileage spark plugs, if the spark plug tube seals leak, or if dirt makes it past the boots for the ignition coils or wires. When you're taking the ASE G1 or even the A1, make sure you can read spark plugs and know what conditions are normal and abnormal. This has been your ASE G1 test prep tip with tomorrow's technician. We'll see you next time.